Using the Onshape-Arena Connection, you will accelerate the NPI process by simplifying the prototype and review workflow between design and manufacturing, getting design input when changes are least expensive. The connection allows you to request part numbers from Arena, map categories and attributes between Arena and Onshape, and more. The full bill of materials was synchronized from Onshape to Arena. The part numbers were requested from Arena and the attributes are synced across systems. As a matter of fact, we received a message from a supplier this morning about one of our parts. In Arena, granting access to suppliers is seamless and secure, as we empower communication between suppliers and design teams. Suppliers can give us direct feedback in Arena. Let's look at what Jensen had to say. It seems like we're missing a draft on one of our surfaces that we need to investigate and change in Onshape. With one button, you can navigate to the specific part in Onshape. The nature of SaaS solutions allows systems to easily communicate with each other, meaning the end user doesn't need to worry about what happens behind the scenes, providing a product development solution which is fully connected. Onshape's commenting functionality allows for supplier-designer interactions that enable collaborators to quickly highlight, annotate, and create pictures supporting the changes from manufacturing and other teams. Both light and full users can leverage the 3D data to gain deeper insights of the products being hosted in PLM, providing velocity in NPI and engineering changes. Having the CAD connection to PLM provides greater accessibility to gain insight into the parts and revisions being worked on. Cloud-based CAD allows anyone to access data without the need of traditional, expensive engineering workstations. Giving more users the ability to work and interact with this data empowers your downstream workflows into PLM, even accessing data from mobile devices. Using Onshape, we can update the part Jensen requested to the working revision in Arena. With one button, you can send the complete, updated bill of materials to Arena. No CAD PLM integration has ever been this simple to use. And with ease of use comes adoption by end users, which leads to more frequent collaboration across the team. Empowering your supply chain with better collaboration tools will result in better products while reducing errors in design and production. Now that we have the updated part in Arena, we can release the full product assembly to prototyping and design. This is the power of the Onshape-Arena Connection.